Welcome back to Tech Without LMC, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be installing roof rails, roof rack, and the roof basket to my 2014 Honda CRV EX, which did not come with them from factory. The links will be in the description for all three kits, and they came with all the necessary hardware and components. Okay, let's get started. So for the rails install, I made a video myself while actually doing it, and it came out so bad that I can't even use it, so I'm going to just use the manual and explain what I did different. First, measure exactly 17mm from the windshield molding, and honestly this can be plus or minus 5mm, so it's no big deal, so just do your best. Then lift the rear with the flathead screwdriver or plastic tool. When I did this on both sides, the trim that was connected to the longer trim actually broke from the middle. But it's still reusable, so there's no big deal if this happens to you. I'll explain a little bit more later on in the video. Next, squeeze the trim and push it away from you, and it easily should come off. As you remove the trim, remove the clips with a flathead and keep them somewhere else in case you need them later. And when I say trim, I'm talking about the long trim all along the roof. Now it's time to cut, and I honestly just used a plier cutter tool, and you don't need something fancy. Cut from the marked area, and don't worry if it does not look professional. The cut part will be hidden anyways. You can put something underneath to make it easier or freehand it like me. Use the two clips that you removed earlier and connect the remaining stock roof trim back into the roof. Now remove the green, red, yellow, and purple clips with a flathead. It's literally just clips, and it looks more complicated on the diagram than in reality. Break it if you must, you don't need it again. You just need to pry it from both sides and pull it out. So step 12 is what I broke, so I don't need to do this on both sides. Then just reinstall the trim piece as it came off, minus step 12 if you broke it like me. Now take the new roof rails and install with the provided 6 Torx nuts, and don't worry about the torque numbers. Just hand tight it, and remember it's metal on plastic, so be chill with it. Install the covers for the Torx nuts. Here's what the kits look like all boxed up. Here is a video of what it looks like when I'm taking off the stock trim. Now it's time to put together the roof rack. Here is all the parts. Take the side piece and make sure it's the right side by looking at the label on the rear. Then slide it on to the main centerpiece. Next, attach the rubber piece and screw it all together. Later on, you might need to adjust it a bit to fit it properly on the roof rails. You can see the screws have slots for adjustment. Now let's put together the roof basket. Take the first two pieces as shown and remove the rubber protectors on the ends and connect them together. Connect the middle piece in between if you want it to be longer. Now put the side support brackets on and screw down everything. Then attach the front plate with the provided hardware as shown, and that's it, pretty simple. Here it is, all three installed, and this is how it looks. Personally, I think it looks perfect. That's the end of this video, everyone. I'll be doing a lot more modification videos for this CRV, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.